Model speed dictation, volume 1, exercise 5, ready, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I find there is hardly enough time for me to say all that I want to say with regard to the report of the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation. I will confine myself to making some concrete suggestions with regard to certain things which I have in mind. With regard to fertilizers, we know that the position has considerably eased and the prices have come down. But I would like to suggest that more attention should be paid to the production of complex fertilizers rather than to apply individual straight fertilizers. I say this because apart from the question of maintaining purity and avoiding the adulteration involved, it will also make it easier for application in time. The complex fertilizers can be applied both in commercial as well as general agriculture. More attention should be paid to production of complex fertilizers like Sufala and others. Then the prices of these complex fertilizers should also be considerably brought down so that the farmers and the commercial crop growers will make use of them rather than resort to straight fertilizers. There are also certain difficulties with regard to the supply of straight fertilizers. When nitrogen is available, potash will not be available. Sometimes it happens because of the paucity of requirement. So, only one type of fertilizer, either nitrogenous or phosphatic, should be utilized. It will be conducive to the proper development of the plants. I would commend and urge upon the minister that more attention should be paid to the production of complex fertilizers. With regard to pesticides, we now find that there are a large number of different brands of pesticides starting from various compounds. For a country like ours, where a large number of farmers are illiterate, it is better to standardize all these types of pesticides rather than allowing in the market hundreds of different types and patents of pesticides coming from different companies so that they do not confuse the farmers with regard to their application. With regard to price fixation, I have to say that in spite of so many years of efforts, the Agricultural Prices Commission has not been able to have any particular gauging of the cost of production. It has been voiced by so many people in this house and in the other house. Many agriculturists and people who have some practical knowledge of agriculture have been voicing about this. I would like special attention to be paid to this aspect. Like the tariff commission study, we should have some other study of the different areas and should come to a definite figure with regard to the cost of production. Then only will we be able to get over this difficulty of having a discussion about it every year and of voicing about the cost of production. If we have a sliding scale based on the cost of production, it would assure a fair return to the grower. If they do not get fair return, they will not produce more. Stop.